I've been asked so many times the secret of wealth creation using debt. If you want to be super successful, a decamillionaire, you need to know how to use debt. Believe it or not, taking on debt can actually be your ticket to building wealth and become a millionaire and eventually a billionaire. I'm going to show you how. But before we get that, did you know that over 60% of millionaires in the UK use debt as a tool to build their wealth and become decamillionaires? That's right. They don't just avoid debt, they look for good debt. They leverage it to create financial freedom. Intrigue? Stick around because today I'm going to unlock the secret of wealth using debt. Welcome back here. If you're new, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development, and how to gain financial freedom. So let's talk about debt. Debt I'm talking about here, I'm talking about good debt. Debt you take to invest for return on your investment. So you make more money than the amount you've borrowed in interest. So we're going to talk about pretty controversial topic today. Now, I know you might be thinking debt is bad because obviously that's what we've been told, because most people take debt to go on holiday, buy gifts, buy cars. But what if I told you that leveraging debt in a good way can actually be a powerful strategy for building wealth and become very successful millionaire? I've used the strategy and I'm still using it to become a decamillionaire. Yes, it is true. We're going to explore how using debt wisely can set you on the path to financial success. Let's get to it. All right, let's talk about debt. Good debt, that is debt you use to invest to make profit. Before we do that, let's talk about the misconception about debt. Most people see debt as this heavy burden, something that drags them down financially. Honestly, that is understandable, but here's the kicker. Debt is inherently bad. The real issue lies in how people manage it and what they use it for. Many don't realize that debt can be used strategically to invest in opportunities that can lead to wealth creation. Think about it. If you borrow money to invest in something that earns you more than the interest you are paying, wouldn't that be a smart move? Suppose you borrow a sum of money that you're paying £5 a month for and it gives you £8 or £10 return on that investment. Isn't that a good investment? It is. So let's flip the script on the debt and start seeing it for what it can be, a potential asset in your financial toolkit. So let's get into some real strategy for using good debt effectively. Oh, sorry for interrupting this video. I just wanted to draw your attention to a guide I've just created. This guide is for you if you're looking to start and scale in property investment and you've got questions that you want to ask in order to start your property investment. This guide is the ultimate guide to start and scale in property investment journey. I talk about the different type of investment strategies. I also discuss the 11 ways you can raise finance to make any property no money down deals and the type of properties to buy in order to generate a serious return in your investment. And I'm giving this book away for completely free of charge, no string attached, nothing, absolutely free. Click the link on the description of this video to get your free guide now. We've only got a limited number of these copies available as well, so click the link to get your guide now. Let's get back to our video. One of the most popular ways in investing in real estate is using debt. You get a property, the bank lends you 75%, you put down 25%, you take out a mortgage to buy the rental property. So from the rent you collect can cover your mortgage payment and then some, creating a positive cash flow. Plus, over time, the property appreciates in value, building your wealth even further. Another great example is starting a business. Many successful entrepreneurs take out loans to fund their startup. They understand that the initial debt can lead to considerable earning down the line in the future. They have a vision, they have a mission to get to be successful. For instance, look at Howard Schultz, the former CEO of Starbucks. He took on debt to expand his coffee empire, and today Starbucks is worth billions of pounds. So when used correctly, debt can actually be a powerful vehicle for your financial growth. Here's the key insight. Managing and utilizing debt effectively is what sets successful people apart from those who struggle financially. Successful people know how to leverage debt to make more money. The turning point lies in understanding how to control debt rather than letting it control you. It's all about making informed decisions, knowing your numbers, having a solid plan, a vision, and a mission. Take a moment to think about your own finances. Are you using debt to your advantage, or are you just trying to avoid it? Remember, the right approach to debt can lead you to exponential growth in your wealth. So, to wrap things up, now you know using debt can make you very wealthy. We've discussed how debt isn't just a burden, but can actually be a strategic tool for building wealth when used wisely in investments that gives you positive return. We explored the common misconception and shared some successful strategies, from property investment to entrepreneurial venture. The bottom line: shift your mindset about debt and you might just find it's the key to unlock your financial potential and become a successful entrepreneur. I'd love to hear your thoughts on debt. Do you see it as a tool or a burden? Drop your comment below, and if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that subscribe button for more financial tips. Don't forget to check out my next video, where we will share smart investment strategies that can help you grow your wealth through investment properties. I see you on the other one.